Ciao, buongiorno.
Ciao, guys.
Mike and Carrie, we are back in Florida. And first of all, a huge thank you to Brad and Oli from BradsWorld for coming to our home in Poggio Nativo, Italy, and sitting down with us and letting us share our beautiful home with all of you.
Yeah, great experience having Brad and Oli in the house and showing them around. So it was really cool to have them down.
With Stella,
That's Stella.
the new
Yeah,
little puppy.
we can't forget Stella.
Yeah, so thank you for everyone who has come over to our channel, and we are actually working on uploading a video today from removing our original kitchen sink.
The beast. We call it the beast because it was a beast.
It was pretty heavy.
It was huge. It was really heavy.
Massive. And when you took that cabinet out, there was kind of a few layers back there.
Oh, there were,
Many?
I think, 3 layers of tile was behind that.
So it was a beautiful sink. It was just, we could never get it clean, and it was massive.
It was really big. It was too big for what we needed. So we kind of downsized the sink and upsized our counter space.
Yeah, but more importantly, when our daughter Kaylee arrived in September, she was like, there's some mold in the kitchen cabinet, and we were like, we've never had mold in the house. No,
so we're not sure what it was from, but we decided that we had talked about removing it anyway, so that was kind of a kick to get us to pull that out and see what was behind it. So
yeah, because the big massive kitchen sink was on a cabinet.
Right.
Was it a built-in, like it was
attached? I think
secondary.
Yeah, it was someone kind of cut that out and kind of fitted that on it. That wasn't meant to be on that cabinet.
Yeah, so when we heard mold, we were like, it's coming out.
Time to go.
Yeah, so we got rid of that, and we had our friend, neighbor, Marco.
Saved us again. Thank you, Marco.
Yeah, he removed the big beast.
Yeah.
So we're working on that video, and we hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for being here.
Yes, thank you for all our old folks and now all of our new folks that have come and joined our little experience. So there's more to come.
More to come. So have a fantastic day, and ciao for now.
Ciao.
Bye. Where are we?
Italy.
It's been a long
Oh
week.
my God, yes.
Ciao. Ashley, hi. Where is it? The whole black thing.
The whole thing.
Jeez. Did he say how much? You just have that on.
Yeah, I just have it screwed in. No, we leave it for now.
Oh, he might think you want to do it right now.
No.
Maybe tomorrow.
Questa via.
Maybe tomorrow. What kind of oil is it? Out of service. They just had a pedestal there.
Looks like it was. Yeah, looks like it was just a pedestal.
Oh my God! How many layers?
Lots. I mean, there's 3 layers there. This is the 3rd layer. That's the original.
Is that tile?
That's the original.
You think
Probably,
that's through the whole back?
I mean,
That's actually pretty.
yeah, but it stops there. I don't know if it's back there or not, but it's down. You can see it down there, down the side. So that was probably one of the original.
Yeah, but maybe it just ended there and they cut it all out because that's cut out. That's weird. So much for finding some pretty tile. This monstrosity. It's a nice sink. It just, we could never get it clean and it just looks gross. Day 1. Like
Day 1.
project day 1.
Day 2.
Well, we arrived yesterday.
Yeah,
Today's
well,
actually our first
Project
day.
Day 1 was fixing electrical
Sure. So day 2.
and the lock.
Yeah.
So 2 days, no rest for Mike, just work.
I fed you a Italian sandwich
She did. She gave me a great sandwich and then put me right back to work.
and we went to IKEA.
Let me turn it on like half hour ago. It might still need a bit.
There's coals. You're about 3 feet from the step up. Yup.
Holy mother.
Just watch the front of it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Cut that one. Take a breath. Okay, where's his head?
In the church bells. Perfect timing. Ciao. Now they gotta get it on the dolly. Oh, they got it off.
Well,
And that's how it's done. Don't ever question an Italian, even if he's 5 foot nothing.
just put in the frame of the car. Make sure it's nice and straight.
So you're making a back brace or something?
Yeah. Back brace, side brace. So the car slides right on. Couple footers. Right.
For the new sink. Cut, measure twice, cut once.
No, I had to cut it 3 times. I only measured it once. Okay.
Oh, did you make a mistake?
We're about to find out.
Mike, come on. Are those little corners gonna be like that? Is that a mark?
That's pencil.
Oh. Is this the telling tale? Don't mind my frog voice. I'm not feeling great. Do you need help? It's like a glove. Did you know the counter would be so far back? Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was coming out to the sink.
No, couldn't, because you never get the water in.
No, see this gap?
No, that's where the pan, that's where the apron stops.
Sure. What do you
But
think?
there's usually a cabinet there, so that's why.
Well, I'm gonna hang a curtain. IKEA for the win. So much better than that big, massive thing. Is it working?
Yeah.
Did that new pipe fit?
Yep.
It's all that cardboard. That.
That's came with the sink.
Oh. You see a leak?
Yeah. Pipe's not leaking. It's on the seal.
That gray pipe is damp down there. See it? Where it's like a circle.
Yeah?
No, down, right there.
Yeah, because I just leaked all over it.
Oh.
Pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every city my secrets hide. Florence art in every stride. Tuscany's hills my dream